In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your PetSmart gift card balance. Let's dive right in and make sure you're all set to manage your gift card with ease. To begin, you'll want to open your internet browser of choice. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you prefer. Once it's open, go to the search bar and type in PetSmart. This is the first step towards accessing the official website where you can find the information you need. Remember, using a familiar browser can make this process more comfortable and faster. Now, after you've entered the search term PetSmart, you'll need to look through the search results. You're aiming to find the official PetSmart website link. It's usually one of the top results and should say something like PetSmart official site. Click on this link to proceed. This step is crucial because navigating to the correct website ensures that your information remains secure. Once you're on the PetSmart homepage, take a look at the top left corner of the screen. Here you should see a variety of options. Locate the one that says gift card and click on it. This section is specifically designed to help you manage your gift card transactions. Knowing where to find this option can save you time in the future when you want to check your balance again or explore other gift card services. Next up, after clicking on the gift card option, look for a button or link that says check card balance. Click on this to continue. This is an important action because it leads you directly to the page where you can input your card details. You'll be able to see your current balance once you've completed the next few steps. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter your gift card number and PIN. These numbers are typically found on the back of your physical gift card. If you're using a digital card, check your email or the app where the card was issued. Be sure to enter these numbers carefully to avoid any errors. Accuracy here ensures that you get the correct balance information. With your gift card number and PIN entered, it's time to press the Confirm button. Doing so will submit your information for verification. Once confirmed, you should see your gift card balance displayed on the screen. This is the moment you've been working towards, and it gives you the knowledge of how much you can spend on your next PetSmart visit. And there you have it. You've successfully checked your PetSmart gift card balance. Remember, this process is quick and can be repeated anytime you need to verify your balance. It's a handy skill to have, ensuring you always know how much you have available for your pet supplies. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Keep this guide handy for future reference and enjoy using your PetSmart gift card with confidence. Until next time, happy shopping and take care of your furry friends.